In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, understanding how to efficiently duplicate elements can save you a lot of time in your design process. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to easily create copies of your design elements, which can be incredibly helpful when you're working on complex projects or prototyping. First things first, let's fire up your browser and head over to Figma's website. For those who may not be familiar, Figma is a well-known collaborative interface design tool. Think of it as a virtual workspace where you can create graphics, user interfaces, and even simple illustrations while collaborating with teammates in real time. Once you're on the main page, the next step is to log into your account. Look at the top right corner where you will find the Login button. Click this and enter your credentials to access your workspace. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Figma home. This is essentially your dashboard, giving you access to all your recent files and shared designs. From here, go ahead and click on Design. This will take you into the design editor, where all the creation magic happens. Now that we're in the design editor, let's move on to creating a shape. This is a fundamental step if you want something to duplicate. On your left side, you should see the Tools palette. Select the Shape tool. You can create a rectangle, circle, or any other shape you prefer. Click and drag on the canvas to create it. Once the shape is on your canvas, the next step is to select it. Simply click on the shape you just created. You'll notice it's selected when you see a bounding box with handles around it. This indicates that the shape is active and ready for modification or duplication. To duplicate this shape, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or the Option key if you're on a Mac. You'll notice the cursor changes slightly, hinting that you're in duplication mode. Now simply drag the shape to where you'd like the duplicate to appear. As you drag, a new copy of the shape will follow your cursor. Once you release the mouse button, the duplicate shape will be placed right there on your canvas. And that's it, you've successfully duplicated a shape in Figma. This technique is a game changer, especially when you're looking to repeat elements like buttons, icons, or even more complex objects. With practice, you'll be able to streamline your design process and spend more time on creativity rather than repetitive tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.